Imagine spending thousands on new molds, loading up the machines, and then, within 24 hours, shutting everything down because your biggest customer just vanished. Welcome to China's new manufacturing nightmare. The tariff war isn't just numbers on paper anymore. It's tearing down entire factories and crippling the lives of thousands. What's the hardest part of injection molding today? It's not the precision, it's not the labor. It's watching your entire business freeze overnight. That's exactly what happened to a factory owner in Ningbo, Zhejiang province. Right after they received a batch of new molds, a crushing 104% U.S. tariff hit. Within a single day, all orders were canceled. The machines were loaded, ready to go, but never turned on. Lights were off by 6 p.m., and entire production zones went dark like a ghost town. And this isn't an isolated case. From shoe factories in Jiangsu to silicone mold manufacturers in Guangdong, the story is the same. TikTok is flooded with heartbreaking videos saying one thing: the U.S. orders are gone. Workers are being sent home early. Warehouses are bursting with unsold goods. One factory had over 20,000 ice trays packed and labeled, ready for shipment. But the call came: don't ship. Just like that, thousands of dollars in product became dead inventory. On April 11th, China retaliated with a 125% tariff on U.S. goods. But it may be too late. China's export-driven economy is crumbling under pressure. Entire industries are voicing their desperation. From the textile hubs in Chongqing to the electronics factories in Shenzhen, business owners are panicking. And here's the brutal truth: there's no replacement for the U.S. market. Behind every canceled order is a worker with no paycheck, a boss with mounting debt, a factory full of idle machines. Some companies are offloading inventory at just 10% of its original value, desperate for cash. Others have already shut down permanently. Salaries are being slashed. Hours are disappearing. One worker put it plainly: the U.S. blocked us. Now, 99% of foreign trade companies are on the verge of collapse. This isn't just about canceled orders or economic data. This is a shift in the global economic system. Logistics costs are rising fast. Inventory is piling up. Factory owners are digging into their personal savings just to pay workers. In Shenzhen, one of China's strongest industrial hubs, rents are going up, wages are going down, and the competition is getting brutal. One Chinese content creator summed it up perfectly: you think tariffs protect local businesses? They don't. They wound your enemy and yourself. And now, even the loudest voices cheering for patriotism are realizing they might be the ones left behind. Experts warn this could be the collapse of China's final economic pillar: exports. The real estate market is already unstable. Domestic consumption is shrinking. Foreign investment is drying up. As one veteran trader said, if this trend continues, China could fall back to the poverty levels of the Mao era. This isn't just China's story. It's a global economic shockwave. If you're in business, trade, or simply care about where the world is heading, this is something you need to understand. So hit that subscribe button, like this video to support our work, and drop a comment. Do you think the tariff war will end soon? Or is this just the beginning of a global decoupling?